Hello, how are you everybody? Today I'm gonna show you a metal detector. You can see uh, it's a metal detector, handheld metal detector, and somebody also call it scanner, and it's a maybe it's a Chinese brand. Here is charging point, and this button is used for vibration on and vibration off. Look at that, vibration on and vibration off. And this is signal light, a signal light. And this is the buzzer speaker for beeping. If this metal detector found any kind of metallic item, it will start beeping like toot 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 toot, and this light will on. Look at that. Now it is two switch. This one switch on, off, on, off, and hold light. Okay, so here is the hand grip, and there is a small element to put inside hand, and you can use it very smartly. So oh yes, now I am going to show you the battery, the power source of this metal detector. This power source battery is here. Yes, open it, and this is the battery. Okay, 9-volt extra heavy duty battery. So put it here inside this. Very simple and very easy to use, and not too high cost product, this one. Thank you for watching this video.